Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing another product review of an accessory for your Meta Quest 2 headset. This one is a charging stand and holder for your headset. This one is by Hibloks. So in this video I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, and then give you my review and thoughts of it in the end. So let's jump into it. Okay, here's what the box looked like coming in the mail here. Well, out of the postage box. I love these boxes, how they open up so nicely there like that. Here we've got the user manual. I'll take a look through that later. I won't take you all the way through it. Packing peanuts. I don't see packing peanuts too much anymore. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I received a package with packing peanuts. Okay, we got, looks like those are going to be controller holders. We'll set those to the side. We'll get rid of some of these peanuts in the lid here. I honestly can't remember the last time I saw packing peanuts. This is awesome. Alright, here's a bunch of different cords. I'll open that up in just a minute. Looks like this is more of the actual base. Oh, no, never mind. This is the actual base. I'll set that there. Some rechargeable batteries. And a nice little microfiber cloth. We'll see what that's for later. Alright, so that's it. Let's move this to the side here. Alright, so we got those pieces. Let's see what's in the bag here. Here we've got, looks like 2 charging cords. Oh, there's 3 cords there. There's separate case covers for the controllers. We've got something wrapped in tape there. And a few other tools. Wow, this is coming with a lot of stuff. Let's open this up. See what's going on in here. I'm assuming I'm supposed to open this up. There we go. Little metal piece there. Alright. I'm going to read the manual for a minute. We'll come back and we will assemble this. Okay, so I've taken probably 2 minutes here, looked through the user manual. I'm going to set it up here for me to make reference to. It shows 10 different steps. To do the first step it shows is to take off the film on this, and you can see there's a little sign that says to do that as well. Alright, so there's a little film right there to take off. Is there a film here? I can't quite tell. No, I think we're good. Okay. Yeah, I think that's the only spot. This sticker, and then right along that strip, and that strip makes sense because we're going to be putting on the anti-slip guard in just a minute here. Okay, so that's step 1 and 2. Now we're going to take these anti-slip guards, take off the sticky part. You can feel which side is not sticky and which side is sticky. And we will place that, press that on nicely. Set that down. We'll do the same with this other one here. Okay, the next step is to take this one, peel off these guards. Okay, then it says to, just going to clear this out a little bit, to insert this, which we have to take the plastic off of first. There we go. To insert this into, there's a sticker. Okay, that slid in pretty easy. Now we can insert the controller ones into the sides. Okay, I didn't think you needed to watch me unravel each of the cords and put them in, but I put the controller cords on the far sides so they're close to the controllers. The power cord is the little USB-C one, and then the little power cord going to the headset can go in the middle. Okay, well, I plugged it in and we got some lights there. I don't know if you can really see it too well. There you go. So we do have, it is changing lights. Let's see if we press the button here. It says mode switch and power button. Oh, okay, that if I hold it then that turns it off. Press it and it comes back on. Okay, so that's the first step. Now from here we need to, oh, those are kind of cool. Those got lights on the end. You can see those there. They're really bright for me. They're not changing colors with the base. Right now they're just blue. Alright, let's open up this battery, these batteries though. Interesting. This is new for me. So these batteries in the bottom have little plug-ins there. I think they're USB-C. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure this isn't a new concept. I am new to it. And we also have these other covers that we're going to be putting on here. So I'm just going to slide this over for a second. We're going to take our controller, slide off the cover. I'm going to take out my battery, if I can get it out. And we'll put in their battery here. And I'm going to put their cover on and line the battery up so you can see through it there. Oh, it's really dark for you, but you can see the charging port through it so it can be reached. We'll do that with this other one as well. Okay. I'm going to bring this back over. Honestly, I don't know what the little screwdriver is for. I don't think I need it for anything. And this is like a little hollow punch, and I don't know what that was. That was in this paper, and I don't really need that. It says you can use this to help get the batteries out. Alright, so I'm going to take this controller. That fits in pretty good there. You can put them that way, or it also has them really any way, right? Let's plug this in here. Okay, those are both in and charging. Now let me grab my headset. I think because I have this Elite strap on the back, which I've also done a review on if you want to check it out, that it is weighing it down quite a bit. It sits on there, but it sits on there pretty low because of that battery weighing it down in the back. Otherwise, I think it would sit right up on top there. Pretty good. Okay, so for these charging cables, at the end of these charging ports there were little circles. You can see that there, that metal piece is attached there. So now this will just attach on like that, nice and easy, and you don't need to worry about trying to place it in properly every time. magnetic piece just goes right on there. So you can put that in, and then those will attach right on. Alright, so here it is. Let's talk about our pros and cons. For the pros, I think it looks nice. The rechargeable controller batteries are sure nice to have, and the magnetic clip works great. Easy to put them in and out. It securely holds the controllers, and it's easy to plug in. Nice to have a little charging spot dedicated to the Quest. For the cons though, I don't like that the headset doesn't sit right if you're using the Elite strap. You can see in the photo here, I used the an Elite strap, and that has a battery on the back, and it just, it rides up really high. It looks okay, but it's not the greatest. The headset just sits on top. It's not really secure, so if it's in an area of high traffic, it could easily get bumped off. If it's just sitting on a desk somewhere, then that shouldn't be too bad. And I don't like that the acrylic pieces that you're putting into the sides and at the top are kind of loose. I wish they fit a little bit tighter into the base. So if you're putting it in a low traffic area, then that'll be alright. Here you can see the colors changing on it. I think it looks really cool this way, especially, in that darker setting. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any experience you'd like to share with me, please put them in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.